aborokigwa b'esukuru ya sekondari ya Gisiaga himeye wodi ya Masomaro ebunge ya West Mugirango nigo mubasorero besokina okorokorobekana kwa murembe hase ba muchiri aborokigwa bari bagendete gusamba chisukuru haigeme yensi ya Kenya kukwana na barari koru ase sukuru iyo igaborokigwa bo baburira aborokigwa bonsi imeyense kwenyura ekerenga kiabe kenene kia masomo chingaki barase chisukuru muri kitufati ga December orobotirwa sinjira yobikira
abo naborokiwa b'esukuru ya sekondari ya Gisiaga eyegotoke wodi ya Busamaro abo besokirie na gukwanira umuchando bugusamba chisukuru oyo ogendrete kwenekiwa chisukuru ao aborokiwa baiga nigo bairire chingakiechi na gukwanira obobe obubogocha kubatikana no gusambwa okwo wechisukuru.
My name is Jaywanja, head girl of Gisiaga High School. The real reason we are here is about condemning these things about strikes and fires that has been going on among schools. We as Gisiaga High School, we did the math and saw how big of a burden or how big of a loss our principal would have undergone if we decided to do such a rational thing. When we decide to ban the schools, the loss of infrastructure that the principal will have suffered was so big. And so we decided that we are here to learn. We came to school to learn, not to strike to go home. Going home is not the solution and it will never be the solution. To other students out there who would maybe decided to go home and not to learn, I'd like to tell you, please, that's not the solution and it will never be the solution.
Aiga aborokiwa b'esukuru ya Gisiaga nigo batumekire ribagerio na gutuma amagomba abo gokiasi kya mate kyonzi echo kyanyorire ogwa kwa kubwatikana no gusambwa okwo w'ekisukuru asebo igo basemirie ekisukuru nabo igo aborokiwa bonsi buna.
I would like to tell the administration to ensure that each and every school is giving that friendly relationships to students so that they can face the teachers and tell them what is the problem and also express their feelings toward the teacher. And again, I would like to urge my fellow students that they should always visit the guiding and counseling teams, express their feelings and avoid distracting or destroying school properties, because at all it is our school.
Ase ensema yaye omorokyo monene bw'esukuru ya Gisiaga Dr. Zakari Ondieki nigo airire chingaki echo na gwa kabuya ase aborokiwa bonsi b'esukuru eyo asogwancha na koba abatoereru ase boigo asabira abaibori kubaika abana babange anene asogotema kubaitona anene ase mechando eria bagendrete gwetira buna enchira eyemo yokuyagayana
Elietaliane Dr. Zakari Ondieki mokwa ninche chief principal yeskuru ya Gisiaga bono esamangana ya yogo sali chiskuru onko tabia baiboli muna toko bwato ka bana gochanka na skuru tari Gisiaga yoka mwara ikaransa na barabu mwabategerera ekiagera nabo barabaeresa mangana abera atatu mwatotebia na ari ese totali konyara mwacha twabwaterana tu address ya mangana abana buna bono nabarikeire newsletter ebintu abana aba bantebete batagete nje bweka tinkonyara igo baiboli bari bantegererete obwate newsletter eri some oigunga inki omwana watagete kiagera ebintu ebinge ebese oyokoru nalinda akole ebintu ebino omoiboli
oboiga no boseme bwaye asaborokiwa bande
igongo tebia abana bare Kenya ngima mbobe sana gusamba abamu abo teri gento kiya aso omwana otarwarete wabwate kebiritu kwa musamba nkolengere nona asinya saa to kwaberu ekeremi chandere gosaba konguboro gosemutaraisane kane bintu muna bigokoru mbuya mwateba na motebu nga ya nto konyara eibado ne ansa kiagera togo ikaransa na bokonyoranga una njomolerie kiagera nje noboleri ngokora mono nkolenda abana ekerema etebese teyo na bongo batebese chinchiyo abaiboli batoe moko abana bale Kenya mbakoira atua yogosalie bintu
chingaki echecho nigo ensemo ye kanisa anena seskuru ejeiga na barabwo besokya na gukwanira inchira babere bakubabekera aborkiwa baiga bonsi oboroso.
Pastor Evans Mosota chaplain yeskuru ejeiga ya Gisiaga twabere tokoira ensemo enene yogokwanira abana baiga ne gitabu kia emerang'ania yemo ebungo byaye bitano na bibere gotebanga okomoiro ko monene noro muchakano wechisembe
Hingo ripota Gatembe kuraiga skuru ya sekondari ya Gisiaga egotoka imeye wodi ya Busamaro ebunge ya West Mugirange kaunti ya Nyamira. Jeff Atigad Isemba.